Hello, ito po tayo muli. Babysitter muna sa ating apong mabait. Oh, what is that? Pumpkin? What the color of pumpkin? What? What the color? That is not red. You see the red, oh? Look at that one. Orange. That is the good one. Orange. Color orange. This is your pumpkin. Color orange. Oh. What more? That car. What is that color? Red. That is the red one. Yung apo ko talaga naman. Walang alam kung ano iprank kundi lolo. What is that? Crocodile. What's the color of crocodile? What is the color? What's the color of crocodile? Right? What is the color? Green. Ikaw talaga, oh. Ganyan po yan, eh. Pinaprank lagi ako niyan, eh. Oh, what is the color of your, tambourine? Green. That's good. Very good, Radley. Yan po. Talaga namang. Okay. Get another, Oh, what is the color of that? Blue. Very good. Oh. Get another toys and tell me what is the color of toys that you get. Come on. Okay. Thank you po.